Well, good morning and Merry Christmas on, what's today?
16th.
December 16th. Wow, we only got 9 days left, less than double digits. We're in single digits. We're gonna do the advent calendars this morning, and we're both working from home, so we're staying off camera. Figure that's the safest thing to do. So starting with the Merry Mary marching band. Mary, Mary.
Heck, it's a bear with a gift.
Oh, no, he's not playing an instrument. He's just
bringing
tagging
a gift.
along.
Just bringing a gift.
All right, and then we're gonna head over. I don't know which one you want to start with.
Let's start with the kitty cats.
All right.
16 is right here. I should have brought a Oh, that was easy.
That one actually opened. We're finding something with these as they get lighter. Sometimes they don't want to stand up as well.
Just cube treats.
The Hamilton would like them.
I'll give them to the Hammy. Okay, let's do 16 for the Lent.
Where is 16?
There's 6. You've already opened that
There's
one.
19, 12. I find 12 on this one all the time.
Sometimes I just have to. 21. There's 16.
They're really hard to see on this.
Oh, it's a little snowman.
Little
Look at
snowman,
that.
little hollow chocolate.
There's a snowman.
There we go. They need more truffles. We did all truffles from them once, I think, didn't we?
Yeah.
They were pretty good.
16 is right here. Oh, a mini chocolate chip shortbread.
I'm imagine that's the shortbread. At least we had one today.
Got a camel down.
Because yesterday we didn't have it. Camel's sleeping. And the sugar fino one.
Day 16 is right here.
Very nicely done.
I
Ooh,
think those are the frogs, if I'm not mistaken.
with the little cream gummy.
Let's see. Apple frogs.
Oh, those are good. We've had those before. All right.
We got a camel down. Oh, camel lost his front legs. Let's get this camel back up. Let's get the camel. Okay, day 16 is right here.
Reminds me of a joke. What do you call a cow with 2 legs?
Lean.
Your mama.
That's not nice.
I didn't say it was nice.
I think this is another king. So we'll stick him over here.
We're still missing one. And we don't do wine today. So we'll go on to the coffee.
Probably have this today. My afternoon little pick-me-up.
What is it? Oh, I think it's one we may have.
Classico.
Yeah. At least we know that one.
And then I'll go get
And then ink vent.
16.
You can see this has become our centerpiece for the table.
Oh, I got vintage copper.
That might be pretty interesting. I bet that's a sheen.
It's a shimmer.
Oh, shimmer. I was wrong. Close enough, though. Shimmer sheen. And then the last one for today, the whiskey calendar. As I knock everything over. 16 is down at the bottom. Can't believe it's the 16th already. I've already been doing Christmas shopping this morning, though. Finishing some things up. I gotta get some stuff for the boys still. But I think that's about it. And we've got, Highland Park 12-year-old. That's a really nice 12-year-old scotch. It's Viking Honor, so I haven't had that one. So I'm looking forward to that. All right, and that's it for December 16th. Thanks for joining us, and we're hoping you're having a great holiday season and Merry Christmas, right?
Merry Christmas.